What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon located on the bottom right corner. Tap on the burger menu icon on the top right to access your settings by selecting Settings and Privacy. From here, navigate to Account Center. In the Account Center section, look for Accounts and select this option. Among your linked accounts, tap on Facebook. On the Facebook account settings page, you'll see Remove Account. Select this option. A confirmation prompt will appear. To complete the unlinking, confirm by tapping Yes. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked your Instagram account from Facebook. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.